Yeah.
Alright, so first we start by washing our hands. So we're going to pour the boiling water into the metal bowl. And then we're just going to put the espresso powder inside.
I'm just going to fall. It's 3, right?
Yeah, 3. Yeah, 1 tablespoon sugar and then 3 tablespoons, no, yeah, 3 tablespoons of Tia Maria.
You add 1 tablespoon of sugar.
And then we need 3 tablespoons of the Tia Maria.
Open it.
Three. Yeah, 3. And now we just stir it.
Stir until sugar dissolves. Over the saucepan with simmering water, and then you add,
Your egg yolks.
there's 4 in there. Just beat. And then you add half a cup of sugar.
You put in.
And then you add 1/3 cup of marsala. Okay, so you remove the,
The bowl from the heated water.
and then you add in 1 pound or 2.5 cups of mascarpone.
And beat it until just combined. Alright, so we're gonna beat 1 cup of heavy chilled whipping cream until it can hold peaks. Would you say that's it?
I say that's stiff peaks.
That looks like a peak to me.
It does.
No, we're supposed to. Oh. So we fold the heavy whipping cream into the mascarpone. Alright, so we're gonna take these Savoyardi ladyfingers and we're gonna dip it into the espresso powder mixture, and we're gonna put it on as the bottom for the 13 by 9 inch tray.
Okay, now I'm going to put the mascarpone mixture over the Savoiardi ladyfingers.
So,
Okay, now we're just gonna add the rest of the cream mascarpone mixture to the top.
we're gonna take this Hershey's Cocoa 100% cacao, natural unsweetened powder, and we're gonna dust it over the top of the filling cream stuff. Alright, so we just finished dusting the tiramisu and we covered it with saran wrap. And now we're gonna put it in the fridge for 6 hours. Sorry, that's for later.
They should have
And now we wait. Alright, so the 6 hours are up and now it's time to see the finished product. And there it is. The tiramisu.